let me come to the important aspect of tourism. How the last 2 to 3 months is creating a kind of a havoc in the travel industry, and the way we need to plan it out for the future. Because the most important aspect is, I don't think, as everybody is just thinking, that May 3rd also will not be a great this thing, that after that also it will be there for the next few months. We will have a tough time ahead. So when we look into that, we can just strategize in three angles, what I just thought of. Like, one is the operational strategy, which is the most important thing, because the tourism, the way it used to happen, now it will change forever. Now, at least for the next few months, though, it will change change a lot. The kind of SOPs we need to have. For example, Kerala has come up with a good SOP for already the kind of tourists though they're going to come. So that kind of a SOP should be there for hoteliers, guides, and even for the marketing section. Only then I think we will be able to proceed further. So the most important aspect is the operational strategy need to be this thing, that even the tourism industry can come up with the things, and with the government we can just join together and we can form some kind of a SOPs which will be implemented throughout the state in a very strict manner, so that the great thing what we have achieved, the Uttar Pradesh, though in spite of being one of the biggest, it's the biggest state with the 21 crore plus population, and in spite of that we have still very less number of cases, and only 44 districts have affected, whereas 31 remaining districts are still are completely safe. And as Jutsi sir was saying, that is the place where we need to concentrate, and I think we can make use of those places also, and all the tourist places in that place also can be used for the purpose of getting the domestic tourism. The second aspect is the physical strategy, which we need to, that's the most important thing, where everybody is depending on that. Like, the lot of suggestions have come from different sections of society and from different sections of tourist this thing. But I don't think, as Jutsi sir was saying also, it is very difficult for the government to directly fund any kind of salary or any kind of this thing. But the suggestions, the large number of suggestions have come up to regarding the electricity bills, regarding the other developmental charges and fees, everything that can be looked into it. And I think the moment the May 3rd lockdown gets over, I think we are going to sit with the stalwarts of the tourism industry, and we need to formulate certain things and take it to the government. And we request the government also. I've spoken to the principal secretary, sir, also, that I've told them, sir, we have to prepare a plan of action, and we need to have a presentation, and that should be done before the Honorable CM, so that we will be able to get some kind of incentives for all our tourist destinations and hoteliers. So we will look into that, and I would love all your suggestions, whatever suggestions can come up at this point of time. Also, you can give, and you can think over in the next few days, and you can suggest to us. And some of the suggestions which already we have taken, for example, regarding the giving industry status for at least the next 1.5 to 2 years for the tourism industry, so that the kind of electricity bills and other things can also be reduced. We will look into that, and I would really wish that if such kind of suggestions can come, we will take it, and we will personally take the few of the stalwarts of the industry also, and go along with them to the Honorable CM and to the Chief Secretary, sir, and we can request them to consider these things, because one of the most affected industry is the tourism and aviation industry. So we'll look into that. Third important aspect is the marketing strategy that needs to be, I think the way we used to do it, the complacency to an extent which was there, I think now we should leave that, and we should concentrate on a totally different mode of marketing strategy. Like the way, initial years used to be the years of, we always used to prefer the overseas tourist section of society. But now I think we need to concentrate on the domestic tourism. The one important aspect is, India has a great advantage in that, because the middle class section society of the country is a huge section. And if we can give them an opportunity to, work, come into these kind of places and look into things, and I think we can make use of it in a bigger way. One advantage specifically, I want to mention with respect to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, other than Taj Mahal, that is Agra, the most of the places, it is, we have done extremely well in terms of domestic tourism. I would request all of you to let's concentrate on the domestic tourism. In domestic tourism, we have, I would specifically think that after, the next few months, it is very, very important for religious tourism also. We can just, if we follow the right SOPs, I think the religious tourism, the rural tourism, as Sir suggested, that rural tourism, one of the very important aspects where, you can maintain social distancing also, and people will also come and enjoy the nature and beautiful things. I think that we can concentrate. Another one important aspect of Uttar Pradesh is the Nawabi style of culinary tourism. I think we can look into these aspects, which will make us, it will give us a wonderful scope in Uttar Pradesh. Sir, as you suggested in the red zone also, sir, when we come to Agra, I was collector of Agra just before getting promoted to this place. So the most important aspect is the red zone which has got affected is in the heart of the city only, not to the outskirts of the city. So where most of the hotel industry is located, I think if we can talk to the district administration, we can still, I feel that we can work out a better way to ensure that the tourists visit those the places, and we can make use of the national and even international tourist section in case if anybody is willing to come. Another important aspect, sir, in Uttar Pradesh is that we have a lot of scope for some scatteredly populated places like the Bundelkhand area, sir. There is huge scope. There are a lot of dams. There are a lot of adventure tourism can be done, and a lot of dams are there where people can go relax, and that social distancing can also be maintained. And those are the kind of things like Chambal is there in very close to Agra, and that can be made use of it. Similarly, when we go to Lalitpur, Mata Tila Dam and other things are there. People who the tourist operators also should come out with some kind of a plan, and I would also request if you can come out with some suggestions like boating and other things, and any suggestions from your side that we can do it in the dam part of the thing also. I think we can make use of it in a big way. So the other important aspect is the rural tourism. What I said, the way things, people have started enjoying Ramayana and Mahabharata, and now people are going into the things, and so we have a lot of scope where we can make use of these kind of things, and we can do wonders in the days to come. And the one important aspect, I as Sir suggested, and I repeatedly, I will also request that cooperation is the need of the hour and not competition. If we can cooperate, each and every one of us, if we can join together, and I think with the organizations like New Tourism Foundation and other things, we can come together and we can form a good kind of a plan which can be implemented in the next few more months, so that we can call the domestic tourism. Like I still remember, in my school days, there used to be a ad which used to come in the newspapers regarding Madhya Pradesh. They used to give all the important places. You answer these questions and you will get some 20,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees, whatever it is. Just like that, there are many places which most of the Indians themselves have not visited, and this is the time when we can highlight those places in which the tourism department also will take a lead role, and we can join together and we can form such kind of a things, and I think we will be able to do a better job with all these things. And any more suggestions, I would love to take it, and with all of your suggestions, I will be able to, I hope that in the next few more months, which will be a very difficult time for us, we will be able to come up with success. Thank you.